Welcome back to Dennis Simplifies. In this problem, we are going to calculate the depreciation of an asset using the straight line method in C++. As usual, the algorithm first and then the code. So, let's simplify. Another method of calculating depreciation is the straight line method. If value is the value of the asset and it is depreciated over years, then value divided by years is depreciated every year. Write a detailed computer solution that accepts as input values for value in years and then display the depreciation and the outstanding amount for the different years to the algorithm. So you're going to take the value of the user and also take the years from the user. Then we're going to print a table that will display the year, the amount of this depreciation, and then the balance outstanding or the outstanding amount. So this has three columns, one for each. Then we set amount depreciated to 0. That is, we are creating an empty variable called amount depreciated, which is going to store the amount that got depreciated every year. Now we say for I equals 1 to years, step 1. Remember that the amount gets depreciated every year for years. So this loop should run from 1 to years. So we say, and also from the question, we know the formula for the amount that gets depreciated every year is the value divided by the years. So we say amount depreciated plus equals value divided by years. Balance outstanding equals value minus amount depreciated. Now what we're doing is that each year when we calculate for the amount that got depreciated, we will subtract it from the original value of the asset to get the remaining of the asset, which is the balance outstanding. So when we subtract the amount that got depreciated from the value, we get the amount that is left. Now, because the value will be depreciating every year, that is why I brought the plus equals. So it just adds up. So it will keep adding up until there is nothing left and subtracting it also from the value until the asset gets depreciated totally. That is, there's nothing left of it or the balance outstanding becomes 0. So we keep adding up to the amount that gets depreciated and subtracting from the value until there's nothing left of the value or there's nothing left of the asset or the balance outstanding becomes 0. Then after that we print I, which is the year, under the year column, and then we print the amount depreciated under the amount of depreciation column and then the balance outstanding under the balance outstanding column. Then after it prints, I say move to the next line. So that's print for the next year and the next year and the next year and the next year until the loop ends at the years. So it's keep printing them until it ends. Now let's convert this to code in C++. I declare my doubles and then my year, my integer, and I initialize amount depreciated to be 0. Then I take the value for the assets from the user and in the years of depreciation also from the user. Then I create a table, each column with 1, that is the first column year, the second depreciation, and the other one with the outstanding amount. The backslash n means move to the next line, the backslash t means tap, or you should leave a big space. Now I set the for loop, which is going to compute for the amount depreciated and also the balance outstanding. Then this CRT here is also going to print the values right under the table I created here. You can see n line. So each time it prints one line, you should move to the next line. And by that time, I will increase by 1, which means the second year, and then print it. Then end line, move to the next line. I will increase by 1. The third year, print it. Move to the next line. I will increase by 1. The fourth year, print it. So in that way, until the years, we get to the years. Outside the for loop, I then end my code with system pause and then return 0 by custom. Now let's see some values and see how our code runs. So the value of my assets is still 15 million, and in the years of depreciation, I entered 5. So you can see on pressing enter, it gives me that the year for year 1, it depreciates by 3 million and the amount left is 12. Remember, the total is 15. And then we have 6 remaining 9, 9 remaining 6, 12 remaining 3, and then by the 5th year, it depreciates totally, and then the amount is just gone. The value just gets totally depreciated, which makes it 0. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section. Let's make good use of it. And then see you in the next video. Till then, I'll part ya.